Hola mga mani kids! Welcome back to our vlog, and today we're going to start a part series wherein a guide for Filipinos migrating to Portugal. Part 1: Choosing the right country for migration. Deciding to migrate is one of the biggest steps in life. For Filipinos like me looking for opportunities, quality of life, and a new start, Europe offers great option. But why Portugal? Quality of life: Portugal ranks high in safety, healthcare, and relaxed lifestyle. Work opportunities: growing industries such as tech, hospitality, and healthcare need workers. Affordable living: compared to other European countries, Portugal is more budget friendly. Residence benefit: a gateway to the EU. Portuguese residency allows you to live and travel freely in Europe. Ask yourself, do you prioritize safety and quality of life? Are you open to learning a new language? Do you have skills or profession needed in Portugal? As for me, I really wanted to stay and live here for a long time, so that's why I choose Portugal. Follow me for part 2. Hola mga Marikits! Welcome back to part 2 ng series na A Guide for Filipinos Living Here in Portugal. Visa options for Filipinos in Portugal. There are several pathways to legally stay in Portugal. Here's the breakdown of a key visa type for Filipinos. Number 1, D7 visa. Passive income or remote work. Perfect for retirees or freelancers with stable income. Requirements: proof of income around 760 euro a month or more. Number 2, work visa. For Filipinos with a job offer from a Portuguese employer. Requirements: employment contract, labor market approval from SEF or Servicio de Extranjeros e Fronteras. Number 3, student visa. For studying in Portugal while working part-time. Requirements: enrollment in a recognized institution, proof of funds. Number 4, family reunification visa. For Filipinos joining family members that is already here in Portugal, the requirements is relationship proof and it sponsors residency. One of the key steps is secure an appointment with the Portuguese embassy in Manila. Prepare documents such as NBI clearance, birth certificate, and proof of financial stability, and start early because visa processes can take months. See you on part 3. Ciao! Hola Marikits! Welcome back to part 3, Guide for Filipinos Living Here in Portugal. Part 3, Learning the Language. While many Portuguese people speak English, knowing the local language is crucial for a smoother transition. Why learn Portuguese? It increases job opportunities, help in day-to-day interaction like shopping, public transportation, and also it really shows respect for the culture. Resources for learning: online platforms like Duolingo, Memrise, or Babbel. Community classes: look for Portuguese language schools in your area or in Portugal. Practice daily. Speak with locals or language exchange partners online. Let's practice my Portuguese. Hola, meninos, meninas. Estou muito feliz por viver aqui em Portugal. And when I'm in my local residence, I always buy using Hola, por favor, tu tenho frango? Something like that. But also, I will teach you a basics like greetings. Hola means hello. Bon dia means good morning. Boa noite means good evening. And also, cuánto custa? How much does it cost? Obrigado is for male saying thank you, and obrigada is for female saying thank you. Yeah, parte 4. Ciao! Okay, I need to translate it. See you in part 4. Bye! Hello, my kids! Welcome back to part 4 series of Guiding Filipinos living here in Portugal. Finding a job in Portugal. For Filipinos, LinkedIn and Facebook are the key platforms for job hunting. LinkedIn tips. Optimize your profile with keywords like hospitality workers in Portugal, IT specialist, business administration, or associates or coordinator, and etc. Connect with recruiters and Portuguese employers. Regularly check job postings and apply. For me, in my opinion, I always start my day every 5 a.m. in the morning and I will end that every 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Whenever I don't have work, I wanted to make sure that every time I'm going to LinkedIn, I wanted to make sure that I'm updated. Facebook groups. Join groups like Filipinos in Portugal or OFWs in Europe because they usually post everything that is going to be hiring, especially if you wanted to work in our household. Direct application. Check websites like Glassdoors, Indeed, or Portuguese job boards. Apply directly to the companies with open positions. Follow me on part 5. Ciao! Hello, my kids. Welcome back to part 5, a guide for Filipinos living here in Portugal. Part 5, finding housing in Portugal. Securing a place to live is one of the most critical steps when living in Portugal. Here's how to navigate the housing market. Where to look? Online portals. Websites like Idealista, OLX, or Imor Virtual are great for finding apartments or rooms. Facebook groups. Join Filipino and expat housing groups to find shared accommodation. Local agencies consider real estate agent but prepare for paying a commission. Types of housing. Shared flats. Cuarto para partilhar. Kung sa Dubai naman, partition. Affordable and popular among OFWs. Studio apartments, best for individuals or couples. Family apartments, apartamento T2 or T3, great for families. Key tips. Avoid scams. Never send money without visiting the property. Budget wisely. Rent in cities like Lisbon or Porto can be higher, ranging from €600 to €1,000 per month. Ask for a rental contract, contrato de arrendamiento, to ensure legal protection. That is all for now. See you on part 6. Ciao!
Hola, Kids! Welcome back! Being an OFW and spending Christmas away from family in the Philippines can be challenging. The warmth of Simbang Gabi, Noche Buena, and the company of loved ones might feel distant. But in Portugal, there are always ways to keep the holiday spirit alive while embracing local traditions. Wonderland Lisboa is one of the best ways to experience the magic of Christmas in your new home. Held at Parque Eduardo 7, this festive market offers a comforting mix of activities, treats, and holiday career. What to do? First, I tried their churros, warm, freshly made churros coated in sugar or filled with chocolate, a must-try treat. Ice skating and rides, and also shop for gifts. Tips for Filipinos: dress warmly. Unlike the Philippines, Portugal's December temperature range from 8 to 15 degrees Celsius or 46 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Layer up with a jacket, scarf, and gloves to stay cozy. Embrace the festive atmosphere. Christmas in Portugal, like in the Philippines, is about faith, food, and family. Indulge in a local tradition such as enjoying bolore, king cake, and admiring the beautiful holiday lights around us. Though far from home, embracing the joys of Portuguese Christmas can create new memories while keeping the Filipino Christmas spirits alive. Feliz Natal! Ciao!